Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply add a switcher or create a switcher for your Elementor website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just install this plugin called HTMega. It's absolute add-ons for Elementor page, and you will find it right here. When you will have it, go to editor and then just click plus. In elements, you want to write switcher, and you're gonna see right here. Just paste it. And you can see like right here, so we can see that, okay, on a switch 1 and switch 2, on a switch on, we're gonna see, I don't know, we can like add media here even. Okay. Nice. And on switch 2, we can have, I don't know, this guy here. And again, I'm going to just center it to the middle. And voila, this is how you do it. You can also change the icon here if you want to. It's really up to you. And you get like style here. You can change the colors and everything. The switcher button and changing the color. But this is pretty much how we do it. And this is how you add switcher for your website. So yeah, thank you everybody. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you, and have a great day and goodbye.